Hi everyone! Welcome to the Yarn Necklaces channel. You've probably already heard that Momma Swift is the grand prize winner of the hashtag Christmas in July fairies. Congratulations, Momma Swift! I wanted to do a quick video on the prizes that I'm going to send to her. When I made my original video on how to enter into the hashtag Christmas in July fairies giveaway, I asked everyone to leave a comment on if they would win, what would they like to win? Yarn, jewelry, or a combination of both. When I heard Momma Swift had won, I went back into my comments on that video and scrolled through and found her comment. She had said she wanted it to be a surprise because Christmas presents are normally a surprise. So I came up with a few fun surprises that I'm going to send to Momma Swift, and I want to show you guys what I have. So the first thing is a crocheted necklace. This is a multi-strand necklace that's adjustable. It has a bead on the top. And if you saw my other video, the winner of my personal hashtag Christmas in July fairies video was Catherine Davidson, and she received one of these. And I also wanted to send Momma Swift some yarn so she could make her own. So I'm sending her two of my favorite colors. This one is Galaxy, and this one is Caribbean Sparkle. And this is called Trellis Ladder Yarn. And I sell this on my website. I have probably over 60 colors or so. So check it out. It's YarnNecklaces.com. And I'll put a link in the description below. And another necklace I'd like to send her is this one here. This one has an engraved message on it. It says, "Learn from yesterday, live for today, and hope for tomorrow." And this is a little pendant that I made from beads.us, and you're able to customize them to say whatever you want them to say. So I'll probably do a video on that later on how to do that. And then you guys can see how to actually customize a little pendant for yourself. I am also going to give her an Aromatherapy Locket with a little fairy on it. And these open up and you can put any of these little colored pads in there and put a few drops of essential oils on. And then you can wear it and smell your essential oils. You can put perfume on it, or you can just wear it with just different colors in it. Also, if you haven't seen my video yet, I just had a video come out yesterday on how to make this really cool face mask. So what I did was I used fabric for the actual mask, and then I crocheted the sides and made little ear loops, and the ear loops are adjustable with the bead. So it fits on your face really good. So definitely check that out. I'll put a link in the description below. The last thing I'd like to give her is this cute little Seashell Flower Pot. So this is something, it's not crocheted, it's probably something she doesn't have, and I hand make these. I make the little shells out of flowers and then put some little tiny mini shells in there, and then my boyfriend actually paints the pot for me. And we sell these on Clearwater Beach, so it's just a fun little gift that I can give her, and she'll definitely be surprised. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!